How to turn a Google Slides project into a video, great for class presentations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the best tips for school projects, turning your Google Slides into a video. If you're working on a class presentation and want to take it up a notch, or maybe you're nervous about speaking live, this is a great way to present your work clearly, creatively, and on your own terms. The best part? You don't need fancy software or editing skills. You can do this with free tools and a little planning. Let's start with why this even matters. Turning your slides into a video is perfect for online assignments, group projects, or if you just want to avoid that awkward stage fright. It's also a great option if you're absent or need to submit your presentation digitally. You can record your voice, add music, and make your slides flow like a real video. Teachers love it when students go the extra mile, and this is a simple way to stand out. Step 1 is all about getting your slides ready. Make sure they're clean and easy to follow. Big text, clear visuals, and bullet points instead of long paragraphs. You can add transitions or simple animations to make things smoother. And if you're planning to record your voice, write some quick speaker notes so you don't forget what you want to say. Now, for the fun part, recording your video. One of the easiest tools to use is Loom. Just install the Chrome extension, open your Google Slides in full screen, and hit Record. You can talk through your presentation just like you would in class. Loom even lets you show your face in the corner if you want that personal touch. Another option? Use Google Meet. Start a meeting, share your screen, present your slides, and hit record. Your video will save straight to Google Drive. It's perfect if your school already uses Google Tools. Not feeling the whole voiceover thing? That's totally fine. You can make a video without speaking by downloading your Google Slides as a PowerPoint file, opening it in PowerPoint, and exporting it as a video. Or just use a screen recorder like Screencastify or OBS Studio to capture the slides with transitions. Want to add music instead? Try Clipchamp or Canva Video Editor, both free and super beginner-friendly. Once your video is recorded, it's time to edit and share. You probably won't need much editing, but if you want to polish things a bit, trim clips, fix timing, or add music, tools like Canva Video, iMovie, or Clipchamp make it easy. Keep your final video short and focused. Aim for 5 to 7 minutes unless your teacher says otherwise. When you're ready to share, upload it to Google Drive or YouTube. Just make sure to set the video to unlisted or anyone with the link can view so your teacher or classmates can access it. And here's a bonus tip. Turn your video link into a QR code using a free site like QR Code Generator. Add it to your poster or handout for a cool interactive touch. To wrap it up, turning your Google Slides into a video is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your school projects. It shows creativity, confidence, and effort without needing to stand in front of the class. So give it a try for your next assignment. You've got this. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe for more tech tips made for students, and check out our video on how to create a free resume using Canva. See you next time, and good luck on your next presentation.